Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, it's been such a long time since I have filmed anything, so I thought of coming here and filming a makeup video, and this video is in collaboration with My Glam. My Glam has a beautiful range of makeup, accessories, skincare, and so much more. You should definitely check it out. I'm going to be leaving my affiliated link right down below in the description box. If you click on that, you can get some discount while purchasing anything from the my product. So I thought of why not testing it out and sharing my reviews here in this video. And yeah, so this will be a full face of My Glam video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so I have this box filled with My Glam products. It says live glamorous. I mean, here are some of the products that I got. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing with these products. I'm gonna create a very fun, a very fun colorful look. First of all, I'm gonna start with this My Glam lit brow definer pencil. This is in the shade Shook. This is how the packaging of the product looks. It's really beautiful. It comes with a spoolie, and in this side it has the pencil, the actual pencil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just brush out all my hair up. I start by brushing out all my hair. If you can see, my eyebrows are not at all threaded or anything, but I'm gonna make it work. Let's see how I'm gonna make it work. So what I'm going to do is I have brushed it all up, and now I'm just going to fill in the spaces that is required. So yeah. Okay guys, so my eyebrows are done. You can see how better they look. I mean, they're like perfect. I have also primed my eyes so that I can apply my eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one. This is the new collection. This is the Pop Exo makeup collection Hot Mess 4 eyeshadow kit. This is how the packaging looks. It's so pretty. It's so pink, just like my top. And yeah, this is like a very cute and very durable, you can carry it anywhere kind of eyeshadow. So this is the colors that comes with it. This a pink, orange, a yellowish, and a nude tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a look using these four colors, just these four colors. And yeah, let's see what we come up with. Okay, so before I start using the eyeshadow, I also got this My Glam eye tapered blender brush. This is how the brush looks. I'm just going to open the packaging and show you guys. So this is kind of a blending brush for your eyeshadow, and this is the packaging of the brush. The bristles feel very soft, and this seems like a very high quality product. So this is not a sponsored video, okay? So I mean, these are my very honest reviews, whatever I'm going to give you. So yeah, let's start playing with the eye makeup. First gonna do a swatch for you guys. Okay, this feels super soft. I'm just going to swatch all the colors for you guys. Okay, so these are the shades that came. I'm just going to swatch it in my hands. Okay, so these are this is a pigmentation of yellow, orange, and pink. So I think it's pretty pigmented. Let's just see how it works on my eyes. So I'm gonna start with the yellow. I'm gonna go with it, and I'm just going to place it on my inner corner, like right here. Okay, so it's picking up, but it's like very yellow, okay, yeah, all over here. And then I'm just okay, it has like a lot of fallout. I don't know if the camera captures it, but yeah, it has a lot of fallout, but the yellow seems quite good. The yellow, I mean, I think it's pretty good pigmentation. Yeah, we can work with it. Now I'm going to take that orange, and I'm just going to place it right next to it. Okay, wow, that orange has some beautiful pigmentation. is so pretty. I'm just going to place it right there, and I'm just going to pack that color, and I'm just going to take it a little bit outwards right here. You guys see that? Just a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that a blending brush that we have, this one, and now I'm just going to blend this in real nice. Okay, it's blending. Yeah, it's blending quite well. As you guys can see, it has become a little soft over here. I'm going to take that nude shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to blend everything using that palette. So I'm going to pack it in. Yeah, that seems pretty good. I'm going to continue to take this last color, that is this beautiful pinkish shade, and I'm just going to make a beautiful wing out of it. Then I'm going to complete this look using mascara and eyeliner and all. Just going to put that color right here. I hope you guys can see the color. It's so pretty. It's going to make a wing out of it. Just like so that came out well. I mean, the pigmentation super good. I absolutely love the ombre kind of shade, yellow to orange, and then winged eyeliner. I mean, these colors are super pretty. I highly recommend this one. And the brush, I mean, it's super soft and it blends everything so beautifully. Guys, so my face is all done. I have applied some foundation. I have completed my eye look. I have done the eyeliner and everything, and yeah, I have done some contouring, and now I'm going to do some blush, and for that I'm using this My Glam ka K Play raspberry blush, and I'm going to use this kind of fluffy brush for that. I'm just going to take some. Okay, so first I'm going to apply some on my nose for that kind of flushed look, and then I'm just going to apply on my cheeks. I'm just going to connect everything, like connect my nose and the blush. So yeah, I'm just going to do this a little bit more. Love, smile all you want. Nose. Next product I'm going to use is this My Glam Glow to Glamour 2-in-1 Fixing Plus Shimmer Powder. This is how the packaging looks. It has such a pretty packaging, So it opens like this, and here is the product. So this is the product. This is how the packaging looks. It's like it's all glass packaging. So on top you have the shimmer powder. On top you have shimmer powder, and here you have your fixing powder. So I'm just going to open the fixing powder. This is how it opens, and you have a puff inside it. You have a puff kind of thing here, and then you have your opened the this one, and just I'm just going to press it in. See, do you see that powder? So I'm just going to set my makeup using this powder. Okay, just like very softly milled powder. I'm just going to set my whole face with this powder. So the other technique I'm using is I'm just going to take this, I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to dust some powder. So I have some powder right here at the top. I'm just going to take that powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face using that. Do you see that? It works really amazing, and it's so soft, it's super fine. So yeah, it really does the work amazingly. I'm loving it, this powder. Next up, so I'm going to take this shimmer powder, and I'm just going to just apply it on the high points of my face for a very soft glow. So I have my shimmer powder right here. I'm just going to take some, okay, and I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my face, like here. Oh god, can you guys see that glow? I mean, It is like super super shiny. It's not a subtle glow, guys. The amount I got here, it's not at all subtle. I'm just going to apply that shimmer on my face. I think I have done. I have set some spray and I have set my face. Now last part is lips, and I have this Popexo Power Trip mini lip kit, and this is how it looks. Such a cute packaging, guys. I absolutely love this packaging. So it opens like this, and you have three mini lipsticks right here. So this is the size. Okay, so this shade is called Level Up, and this is this beautiful pink. This is the shade. It's a very beautiful pink. The shade's name is Level Up. I absolutely love the shade, and the formulation is like really soft. It's not like a matte, it's like a creamy matte. The next shade is this Fighter. This is a beautiful red. I'm just going to swatch it and show you. Okay, so this is Fighter, and this one is Level Up, and the last shade that I'm going to use today is Attention. Oh my god, I love this name. Okay, so this is kind of like this shade. It's a very beautiful shade, so I'm going to apply this shade today, and I'm going to mix it up using some other lipstick too, I think so, because I don't want a very, bold lip. So yeah, applied. It glides amazingly on my lips. Liner if you're using this one. Okay guys, so it looks brown here if you guys can see, but it comes out maroon. I'm not super happy about that, but yeah, we can work with it. Two more shades right here from My Glam. So I have these two My Glam lit matte liquid lipsticks. This one is called Love Bomb. This one I'm just going to swatch each and every shade for you guys. Okay, so this is Love Bomb, this one, and the shade that I'm going to use today with this one is I love this name, Sugar Mama. Such a pretty name. It's like a very pretty nude, this one. I'm going to use this shade just right here. Do you guys see that? I mean, this looks way better now, and it's my trick. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I absolutely love doing this. If your lips look very kind of liquidy or very glossy, you can make it matte in just 5 seconds. I'm gonna take this kind of pencil brush and some powder. I'm gonna dip it in, and then I'm just going to dab. This makes your lips lighter also, and it makes it matte also. I absolutely love this trick. I mean, I'm loving this look. This looks really pretty. I really love how it turned out to be. This is like a very fun look. You have the colorful eyes, some pinkish nudish lips, and yeah, there you go. So this is my whole makeup review kind of video. I'm going to be leaving my affiliate code in the description box. You can click on it, and you can go and use that to purchase some goodies for you guys also. And yeah guys, if you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, please guys subscribe to my channel. And yeah, welcome. Hi, I am Anamol. Welcome to my channel. And yeah, and if you want me to do some other kind of videos, do let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.